Yep, still broken. Forward. Wait. Hey, leave it. Yo. Hey, leave it. Where are you guys headed?
3 for us. 3.
Okay. You guys go ahead, it's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can go ahead, it's fine. You're welcome. This is the elevator here at IKEA in Schaumburg, Illinois. This is the internal one. I have not been here since I was a child, a decade ago. I've not even ridden, I mean, I knew this elevator existed. I never ridden it as a kid with my stepmother Barb and my dad and my twin brother Anthony. We only ridden the elevator across from here that's still broken from a week ago, when Xavier and Elevators of Northern Illinois and Leo Plays MC Elevators was here. That's okay though, because one, there's videos and I've ridden it before, although it would have been nice to ride it though. Let's go up to 3. Hopefully there's no one down here. Nope. You guys can come in. I'm just taking a ride. Which floor you guys need?
Which floor?
Okay. Which floor?
What do you need first?
We're on 1.
Or are we on 1, 2 then? Wherever the first place that you're shopping is.
2 and 3 is where the furniture is. This is 2.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, guys. There's the other one that's broken. Leave it. Smell the air from the shaft. That motor is awesome. We're gonna get off and send it down to 1 for them. This elevator's busy with the other one broken. Forward. Wait. Because I really want to try to get a silent take of my own. Yo. I was really disappointed that that one was broken. I really wanted to ride it. There's a beautiful view. Ow. Blind moment. But there you go. Now you know. Literally hit my head because of my limited visual field. With the low vision I have. There's the modded, there's the KONE escalators, which are, that up one is broken. See, this one's broken, as you can see. I wonder if it works. I'm just curious. No, it does not. Alright, I'm gonna cut it here for a minute. Good heel. Yes. Good boy. Go down to 2. I hear it. it stopped at 2. Now it's gonna take our call. Here it comes. Forward. All right. Wait. Heel. Please don't be anyone downstairs. Okay. Touch. Yes. Good job. This is a new place for you. Just did. We're gonna end on 3. Please don't be anyone down here. Please don't. Damn it. There's people.
Going off or going up?
I'm going up. Which floor you need?
We're on the first floor currently.
No, I know. I'm asking which floor you're going to
I'm going to the
upstairs.
second floor.
Okay.
Have a great day.
You too. Forward. Wait. Now that's officially it. Good boy. Good boy.